Okay, now that we have the basics of our digital portfolio set up, let's go ahead and look at how to add content to our portfolio. So our first page here is going to be our home page, our About Me page. So we'll start with adding content that's related to that. So the first thing you can add is text. So if you look over here, you have 3 categories. Under where it says Insert, there's a text box option. So if you click that blue text option, it'll formulate a little text box here. You can go ahead and type in some information about yourself, and it gives you a bunch of options here about your text. So you can change the sizing, bold, italics, the alignment. You can make a numbered list, a bulleted list, or you can insert a link. So if you wanted to link back maybe to Cal State Fullerton's website, you could go ahead, take the link, paste it in there, and there you go. Now you also want to add an image. You can do this a couple of different ways. So if you click this red image button, this is what will pop up. You can search by URL. You can do a Google search. If you have pictures in your albums, you can add, or if you have things in your Google Drive, you can add from there. So let's go ahead and try search. Since I said I go to Cal State Fullerton, it makes sense that we might add a picture of that school. Now you can see results shown are labeled for commercial reuse with modification. So you want to make sure that that's set so you have permission to be using these pictures. So go ahead and select your picture and we'll insert it back there. Now if you want to upload a picture from your computer, you can do that also. You can hit upload and it will take you to your folders. We can go ahead and insert a picture from there. You can crop the photos, you can change different things, you can link it again, whatever you want to do. Now let's say you want to change the pictures around. All you have to do is select that picture and move it. You can see where that blue line is where your picture is going to end up going. So let's say we want it right here next to that one. You can also change the background behind this if you go here to where it says section background. And we can go ahead and change the color behind those. You can also delete it. If you hit this delete section, it'll erase all of that. You can embed websites, articles, images. We'll talk about that in other videos. You can insert things directly from your drive. You can insert things directly from YouTube. So let's go ahead and look at that. One thing that I love are music parodies. So maybe we'll add that in our About Me section. History, music parodies. So it'll insert that right there, and it's good to go. The last thing you want to do is make sure that you hit publish so that it saves all your material. You can go ahead and hit view at the bottom and it'll pop up your website and you can see everything that you've just added to your page.